Everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to open workshop maps in csgo 2. So what you're going to do here is to simply launch your Steam application and then play csgo 2, and you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of this game. So before anything else, what you want to do is to simply open it and then go to settings. Now once you're under settings, you have to look for game, and then under enable console you will see there install Counter Strike Workshop tool, so you have to enable that one. After that, you have to download this file, so I will add the link in the description down below. So download this one here, and after that, what you want to do is to go to your local DC and then locate your program files 86, then look for Steam folder, and then here you have to go to common, Counter Strike, go to games, and then here, what you want to do next is simply go to CSGO. And then here you have to locate maps. And that's it. Now, after this, you have to go back to your Steam. Go to CSGO to right click and then go to properties. And then here, what you want to do is go to install files, tap browse. And then you have to simply drag the file that you have downloaded earlier to the maps folder. Okay, so again, open browse and then drag the files that you have downloaded earlier to the maps folder here under CSGO 2. Once done, you can now launch your CSGO 2, and then again, go to settings, go to install Counter Strike Workshop tools, and make sure that you enable this one. Okay, so once you tap yes, then you can go back to your game. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm about to enable also the console. If you don't know what symbol you use, then you can go to toggle key and then kindly select or type any symbol there. Most of the cases we use this wave dash so that it would be easier for you to type anything on your console. So once done, go to console, and then what you want to do is simply go to CS a map, or you can go or type a map CS, and then this time I'm using map aim. So if you tap this map CS aim, then you will see the option there or the map there. Click this one and then it will relaunch the game. As easy as that. So if you have found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.